Hello friends, today I will tell you how you can use pre-increment, post-increment, pre-decrement and post-decrement in C Sharp. Let's start with pre-increment and post-increment. I will declare two variables x and y and assign them the value of 10. Now I will show you how pre-increment works. The value of x for pre-increment. We can use pre-increment by placing the plus plus and the variable name. This is the concatenation sign and this is the pre-increment sign. To copy paste it, and after pre-increment, now we will run it. Our expected output is 10 and 11. 10 and 11. The value of x before pre-increment was 10. After we have pre-incremented it, it is 11. Now I will show you this is pre-increment. I'll show you post-increment. Post-increment, we use the variable y for it. Post-increment. Before post-increment, on post-increment and after post-increment. This is now you will see the difference between this y. On this line we will get 10. On this line we will get 10, and on this line we will get 11. This is how 10, 10 and 11. Why this is? Now I will explain it. In pre-increment, the value of variable is incremented before the execution of the line, or we can say it on the execution of the line. And in post-increment, the value is incremented after the execution of the line. So we got the value is incremented and the output is 11 on pre-increment, and the value is 10 when we have used post-increment, and after we have used post-increment, on the next line the valuable code we will get is 11. Now I will show you pre-decrement and post-decrement. We will copy paste the same. Use variable w and u and w, both with the value of 10, 20. value of 20. Is post-decrement, pre-decrement and post-decrement. Pre-increment will add in increment, we will add the value by 1, and decrement we will add the value by, we will subtract the value by 1. The value of the u decrement we will place the minus sign. In increment we will place the plus sign, and in decrement we will use the minus sign. And post-increment, minus sign, which is the variables. Expected output we got here is 20, 19, here 20, 20 and 19 here. Yes, we are good. Getting this expected output. Now we'll see it in parallel. The value of u was, we have assigned was 20. After pre-decrementing it, we got 19 as the decrement was performed on the execution of this line. Now in post-decrement, the value we assigned to w was 20. When post-decrement was performed, the value changed after execution of this line, so it remains 20, and when the line was executed, it was decremented to 19. I hope you have got the idea of how you can use pre-increment and post-decrement in C#. You can use these statements in many scenarios. One scenario I will show you here. I will show how you can use pre-increment by traversing an highway. 10. And into 10. What is this shine here? Okay, I am declaring a variable count is equal to 0. Now using while loop, I will choose count less than 10. Period 5. Zero time is negative. And I count plus equal to solid. is how I am using it. Now I will display these values. Again I assign the value count to 0, count less than 5. Let's comment this line and just leave it. This is how I am first taking the value from the user and then incrementing it. And now I am displaying this using the post increment. First, it will take value in 0 index, increment it, and on the next cycle the value will be 1. I show you. Suppose this is how choosing the dimension define value on now let's run it. Value count is 0, 1. That's how you can use post increment. First value was 0. After the execution of this line, the value at the 0th index was 10, and the value was incremented after execution of this line. When we came here, the value of count was 1, and it takes the value at first index and then incremented. And in the next line we displayed these values. The values were as follows. I hope you have complete idea of how you can use pre-increment and post-increment, pre-decrement and post-decrement in your codings. Please like my video, share my videos as much as you can, subscribe my channel to get more and more exciting features, exciting videos about programming. You can ask me questions about it in my tutorials in the comment section. Like my videos, subscribe my channel. As I am I'm going to start a new series. I'm going to start you will be notified if you subscribe my channel, and please do ask questions in the comment section. I will try my best to answer them all of them in as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Goodbye.